Most people think confidence is something you're born with. But what if I told you it's a skill, one you can hack in just 7 days? And in just 7 days, you could walk into any room and instantly command respect without saying a single word. A few years ago, I couldn't even order coffee without my voice shaking. But I cracked the code, and now I'm revealing the exact 7-day blueprint that took me from painfully shy to unshakably confident. If you're ready to stop doubting yourself and start turning heads, this video is your game changer. And trust me, you won't want to miss day 5. It's where the magic happens. Let me take you back to one of my most embarrassing moments. I was at a networking event, sweating through my shirt, trying to pitch my idea to a room full of people. My voice cracked, my hands shook, and when I finished, dead silence. Not even a pity clap. I wanted to disappear. I spent years thinking, maybe I'm just not a confident person. I read every self-help book, tried fake it till you make it, but nothing stuck, until I stumbled on a neuroscience-backed method that rewired my self-doubt in just 7 days. Not months, not years. 7 days. By day 7, people pulled me aside asking, "Did you get a promotion? Are you seeing someone?" Nope, I just finally cracked the confidence code, and today I'm giving you the blueprint. Here's the truth. Most confidence advice is garbage. Just be yourself. Think positive. Cool, but how? Or worse, they tell you it takes months of therapy. And while you're waiting, missed job offers, lost connections, chances you'll never get back. That's why I distilled everything into a step-by-step system, tested on hundreds of people, that rewires your brain's fear response in just 7 days. No fluff, no vague believe in yourself crap. Just science-backed drills that force confidence to become second nature. Every day you wait is another day. You're underpaid, overlooked, or stuck in your head. But starting today, you could be 7 days away from walking into a room and feeling like you own it. So, are you ready to finally fix this? The 7-day blueprint, step-by-step breakdown. For the next few minutes, I'm giving you the exact daily challenges that will rewire your confidence, starting right now. Follow these steps, and by day 7, you won't just feel confident, you'll radiate it. Day 1, the power pose reset. Science proves your body language doesn't just reflect confidence, it creates it. Harvard research shows that holding a power pose for just 2 minutes spikes testosterone, the dominance hormone, and slashes cortisol, the stress hormone. Here's your day 1 mission. As soon as you wake up, stand tall in front of a mirror. Arms wide, chin up, shoulders back, like you just won gold. Hold it for 2 full minutes, set a timer. Do this every morning for 7 days. Sounds silly? Good. The discomfort means it's working. Day 2, the 3-second rule. Ever freeze before speaking up? Your brain is sabotaging you. Hesitation lets fear take over. The fix? Act within 3 seconds before doubt kicks in. Day 2 challenge. See someone you want to talk to? 3, 2, 1, go. No overthinking. Raise your hand in meetings before you're ready. Text call that person you've been avoiding. This trains your brain to associate action with confidence, not fear. Day 3, the eye contact challenge. Eyes are the fastest way to project power, but most people either stare, creepy, or look away. Weak. Today, you'll find the sweet spot. Day 3 drill. Hold eye contact for 2 full seconds with everyone you pass. Cashiers, baristas, coworkers. Add a nod or smile. Makes you seem friendly, not intense. Advanced mode. In conversations, hold it 80% of the time. Glance away occasionally to avoid staring. By tonight, you'll notice people treating you with more respect. Day 4, the compliment flood. Confidence isn't just about you, it's about making others feel good. Studies show giving compliments releases dopamine for you and them. Today, you'll rewire your brain to focus on positivity. Task for day 4, give 5 genuine compliments. Not nice shirt, dig deeper. Examples. You're so articulate, I love how you explain things. Your energy is contagious. Watch their reaction, their smile will boost your confidence instantly. Pro tip, compliment strangers. It's an easy charisma hack. Day 5, the no apologies experiment. Women apologize 2 times more than men. Over-apologizing makes you seem smaller. Unless you spilled coffee on someone, stop being sorry. Day 5 rule. Swap unnecessary sorries with, "Thanks for your patience. I'd love to add," instead of, "Sorry to interrupt." Save sorry for real mistakes. You'll notice people taking you more seriously. Day 6. The fake it till you make it drill. Your brain can't tell the difference between acting confident and being confident. Today, you'll exploit that. Day 6 mission. For 24 hours, pretend you're the most charismatic version of yourself. Walk 10% taller, speak 10% louder, smile like you've got a secret. By tonight, your acting will start feeling real. That's how neural pathways form. Day 7. The magnetic moment. Time to put it all together. Your final challenge? Initiate a conversation with a stranger, cashier, gym buddy, someone in line. Script if you're nervous. "Hey, I love your shoes bag tattoo. Where's it from? What's your go-to order here? I need recommendations." The goal isn't perfection. It's proving you can do this. Celebrate the win. 7 days ago, you doubted yourself. Now, you've got the tools to command any room, own any conversation, and radiate confidence on demand. But this only works if you start. So, which day are you tackling first? Drop it in the comments. I'm watching. Before we wrap up, I need to tell you something crucial. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's not about never feeling nervous or never failing. It's about trusting yourself no matter what. That voice in your head whispering, "What if I mess up?" It never fully goes away. But here's the secret. Truly magnetic people don't eliminate self-doubt. They outrun it. They act before fear can talk them out of it. So when you walk into that room tomorrow and your palms sweat, good. Do it anyway. When you're about to speak up and your heart races, perfect. That's not weakness, that's your body preparing for a breakthrough. Your challenge now? Stop waiting to feel confident. Confidence isn't the prerequisite. It's the result. The more you act as if, the more your brain believes it, and soon, you won't be faking it anymore. So take the leap. Trust yourself first. The confidence will catch up. And when it does, you'll be unstoppable. Now it's your turn. I challenge you to pick one day's lesson and try it today. Power poses, eye contact, the 3-second rule. Drop a comment right now with which one you're doing. I'll be reading every single one. This only works if you take action. So don't just watch, do it. If you want more life-changing breakdowns like this, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because we're just getting started and I don't want you to miss what's next. For those ready to go deeper, check out my video on how to speak so people lean in, or body language hacks that command respect next. It's the perfect follow-up to this challenge. Remember, your 7 days start now. Go make it happen. I'll see you in the comments.